Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Deha. Devran, a mathematical prodigy, has made a groundbreaking discovery in his doctoral thesis. He plans to go to US with his childhood love Esme after getting a university scholarship. However, the only person Devran wants to impress with this success is his father Iskandar, who abandoned his family years ago. While protecting his family from Iskandar, Devran struggled to stop his younger brother Boran from getting involved with their father, who already has plans for Boran. Devran's plans have to change after Boran enters Iskandar's world. Number 9. Bir Gece Masali. Mahir, whose father was assassinated in the city of Denizli by Koshat Kilimchi, returns 20 years later as a police inspector, determined to avenge his father's death. On his first day back, he has a fateful encounter with a mesmerizing girl named Janfiza, the daughter of Kurshat, and instantly falls in love. As Mahir searches for this mysterious woman, he also keeps a close watch on Kurshat, waiting for him to slip up. Mahi realizes his chance will come at the wedding of Kursha's daughter, but what he doesn't know is that this event will change his life forever, marking the beginning of a night filled with unexpected twists. Number 8. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Leila swears revenge on the women who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Leila returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Leila's childhood savior, Chino, reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. As Layla's thirst for revenge clashes with her rekindled feelings for Jivan, long buried family secrets come to light, forcing everyone to confront the wreckage of their past. Number 7. Syakalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The paths of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée, Sivilai. Number 6. Sahib Sizzler. A story of six siblings Azize, Kamo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a splendid life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 5. Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave. confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 4. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 3. Kral Kai Bedar Se. The series follows Kinan Baran, a successful businessman in a troubled marriage with his wife Handan. His affairs force her to confront her self-worth, while Kinan's life is turned upside down by Fadi, a young woman from a poor background. Their relationship leads to a downfall that changes everything, exploring the power struggle between control and freedom. Number 2. Piazza. Piazza will focus on love, betrayal, and power struggles in the world of media, magazines, and TV series. Number 1. Yali Chapni. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and older grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of Ree's recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Halis Saga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazem's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazem's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Seiran. After Ifakat sees Suna and decides she is the right girl for Farid, the family goes to Gaziantep to ask for Suna's hand in marriage, but before the ceremony, Farid and Seiran meet each other without realizing that they are supposed to become brother and sister-in-law, and Farid is enamored by her. The two sisters' life change forever when Farid decides to marry Seiran instead of Suna, while Kazim is glad that he has secured his access to a great fortune. Seiran will be the new bride in a family full of betrayals, lies, and secrets. While Kazim is glad that he has secured his access to a great fortune, Seiran will be the new bride in a family full of betrayals, lies, and secrets. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.